All right. So I may be able to fit this in my honey shack. Let's see here, the flail uncapper. That's something new. That's actually very nice. 2,400 bucks. That's not bad. That's a. I didn't see a projected price for this. Hillco is a new company. 3,700. Okay. It's not bad at all.
Want to see it work?
Absolutely. Do you mind if I'm recording this?
No, not at all.
Okay.
So you just want me to start from...
Absolutely, yeah.
So you recording now?
Yeah, it's...
Okay, I
yeah.
see your glasses. All right. So we've got two rheostats here, right? One controls the knobs. You see it's different.
Uh-huh.
The other one is going to control your chain. We've got a heating element here that heats your knobs, so all your wax will fall off.
Okay.
You just start loading it up. You can put 4 up here at a time. I'm just doing one.
No, yeah, that's great.
It's got forward and reverse. If something happens and one of them gets in there wonky, just stop it and reverse it.
Okay.
Back out. All your wax is going to fall right here. You've got a sieve right here that should catch most of it. So you should have pretty clean honey on this side. You just
Okay.
right into a bucket or to a clarifier.
Yeah. That's great.
Everything you see here except the frames is shipped.
How many?
Shipped to your door.
Really?
Take 2. It'll hold about 20 frames right here.
Okay. And so take 2 of them. Okay. I'll do that. How many are you taking?
So it's heated.
One of mine?
So you got a heating element for the knives, and then this right here, this camber wheel.
Yes, sir.
Put my hand on it.
Okay.
It's adjust the width of your knives. So if you're running 10s or 9s or even 8s, you can adjust your knives.
Is there? What's the rate? Like 5 frames a minute or something like that? Or do you?
So that's totally adjustable. So I can speed it up.
Okay.
Slow it down. So you can speed this control your chain and your knives independently.
Okay.
So you can dial it into whatever suits your need. If that makes sense.
No, that's absolutely makes
If
sense.
you're working by yourself, you might maybe you got somebody helping you, then you might be pushing it a little bit.
Okay. Man, that's amazing.
It does. Depends on how quickly you're extracting them, right? So that's the big part of it.
Well, that's the thing about it. How big's your extractor? So
Yeah.